Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing us how to make simple chin chin, simple Nigerian chin chin. Here we have our flour, we have our salt, liquid milk, powdered milk, we have our butter, our egg, clean bowl, we have our shita, our bottle, we have our tray, have another clean bowl, we have our sugar, nutmeg, baking powder, and knife to cut. Yes, these are all we need. We don't need much. These are the basic ingredients you need for a typical Nigerian chin chin. Come along guys, what you do. So first of all, we're going to be shifting our flour. I don't know how many grams of flour I have here, but this quarter, 250. Yeah, 250. So we're just going to be filtering our flour. I have to shift tight to avoid So we're just going to be, and we do this So here guys, we are through. This is what we have. This is the reason why we filter our flour, because of all these left particles. So we're going to be discarding this. We discard it. Now this here we have the filtered flour. So now we're going to add in our patties, and they serve for different purposes. We are going to be needing your baking powder, not baking soda, please. Dry ingredients first. So next we're going to be adding our sugar. Please add to taste. It's not a must if you don't want to add sugar in your chin chin. I'm eating some chin chin that there was no sugar. Sometimes I prefer my snacks without sugar. Sometimes I prefer my snacks with sugar. It depends for health benefits and your mood. So now we're going to be adding our sugar. Next, we're going to be adding our nutmeg. Adding our nutmeg, yes. Then we're adding our salt to taste. You don't need much, just a pinch of salt is enough. Then we're going to be mixing all of these together. We mix these together and then we'll set aside. I would like to add my powdered flour now. My powdered milk, sorry. I like to add my powdered milk now. I won't be adding much because I will also be adding my liquid milk. So we'll be setting this. So next I'll be adding in my butter. Next, I'll add in my butter. My butter is already soft, so I'll be crumbling it this way. Mix my flour with my butter. Adding in my egg. This is 2 eggs. I've broken the eggs, so I'll just be adding it in. Next, I'll be adding in my tin milk, liquid milk. I'll put in everything. Please, depending on your choice, if you want to add more, add more. Then I'm mixing all of this together. So next I'll be adding in my water bit by bit until you get the desired thickness you want, so it's not be too watery. So keep on mixing your dough until you get a final consistency. Don't worry if your hands are sticky. Just make sure they are properly washed before you start it. The dough in another bowl, and then I just cut out the two. Now I don't have a rolling pin, so I'm gonna be I'll be using, I don't have a rolling pin, I'll be using this, but you can use bottle, you can use anything. Just you can see I placed some flour on the tray, but before then I allowed my dough to rest. I allowed it to rest for some time. I allowed my dough to rest for some time, so I'm gonna be rolling it. So hey guys, we've got the first set. Now Hobby is going to help me roll out the second one and cut it. Helping me to use knife to cut the chin chin flour. You can see the way he's using knife to cut it like a professional. It's like a pro. So now you can see what he's doing. Heated our oil. We heated our oil, so I'm just going to be adding it oil. here we have our chin chin. You don't have to put too many. If you put it too many, it will be burn and gone. Just leave for oil. Batch. You can see how it is. Very nice. Very, very nice. That's what I'm doing. Just stir fry your ginger. Making sure you turn it from time to time. Make sure it's not too brown. When it gets too brown, it burns. It gets burnt. So just light brown is okay to your taste. Look at the ones I fried. You can see how nice it looks. It's nice. And this is the last set of my chin chin. Please note, once you keep on stir frying and turn it from time to time, so that the other side can also get fried. These are this. You can see. Color very nice. I'll soon be placing it down. Once it's slightly brown, just put it down. Unless you like the dark colored chin chin. But to me, this color is beautiful, attractive, and okay.